Hey guys, Ryder here with Ryder's Rockets and Rods, and this is the reason why you want to keep your brakes in good condition. 94 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sierra. As you can see, these brakes, they're pretty bad, but at least they've still got meat on them. Come over to this side, you can see that this is what happens when you don't pay attention to your brakes, because that is not supposed to be like that. And the back side, it's just as bad. He has got no meat left on those pads. I don't know if I can get a good angle. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but he's got nothing left on his brake pads. And as a result, he overextended his caliper. So he's going to need a new caliper. He's going to need a master cylinder because of the fact the master cylinder got overextended as well. And he's going to need all new front brakes. As Ryder's Rockets and Rods, hey, don't let your engine knock. Hey, don't let your engine knock. Hey, check the warning signs early.